It's right here. So we're at the rope swing that we went to last summer once. And we're here with less boys this time. It looks like there's less people here too. Let's just put our stuff here, yeah. About to get our swim on.
Hell yeah.
Okay, Chester, everyone be quiet. Chester, go. Chester Storm, welcome to Jackass. Hello. Yes, sir. That is
hell yeah.
It's like drying off. You look like Mungo Jerry. I filmed that in slow-mo. This is the summer set, so. Oh. I can't get past this part. It was a lot easier last year.
Wait, will it be upside down if I'm holding it like this? Okay. Oh, what's up, guys? Chester Vlogs here. We're at the tree. There's two dipshits down there. You can see. There's a third one up there. Look at that monkey ass motherfucker. Yeah, we're just chilling here, you know, chilling, fooling, whatever. Yeah, what's up? I'll see you on the flip side.
All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1, send! Hell yeah!
Full send, baby. Alright, so I'm taking a quick breather. The boys are still over there. That was fun. We haven't been here since like late last year. I have not jumped off something that high in a long time. That was insane. I thought I was gonna die. Very fun though. Yeah.
Mitch when he breaks his camera.
Yeah.
Dumb as a rock. I don't like this. Guys, okay, I'm not gonna get hurt if I fall in. It's just that I want to have the tree for the whole summer.
Oh shit. Oh.
Look at hella water in it. Holy cow, wow. Drop it! Is it heavier than that? Yes! Yeah, you too!
Just broke? Oh. Now we're going to the train bridge. Put out a video last year. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
If it floats, you're just like, yeah, you're not.
I'll do a flip off the bottom real quick.
Alright.
Belly flop. I don't know. That would hurt. Oh, yeah, do belly flop from here?
Oh! You ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Matt Leo's fucking stomach. Actually, I know why this is down here. Alright, I'll know this week there. Yeah, let's chill. Nah, you're closer. That's so cold. Oh, listen. Eric, you jumped yet?
I have. I jumped earlier.
What?
Remember I did a backflip 360.
Oh, that's right.
Ethan has a. Hey, you know the vibes?
How's it hanging?
Pretty good.
Hey, it's Chester here. We just chilling in the water, you know, in a hot V. They call me Thundercat, you know, because I do it.
Woo! You know the deal. We out here balling. Apparently, it's really illegal to do this, but I mean, I'm no lawman. I don't know what's going on.
From which side? I'm gonna run.
All right, and then I'll jump later with the GoPro.
My name's Chester Storm, and this is Jackass. Yeet! Hell yeah.
That was mental. And I said I'll film or I won't. I probably won't.
Alright, we'll see you at McDonald's.
Vlog ends.
I can't imagine having my phone.
9 miles. Turn right onto Greeley Street South.
At a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home ride.